HuFriedy Perma sharp needle holders feature tungsten carbide inserts with a matched diamond cut pyramidal profile. This allows an enhanced longevity, a secure, positive suture needle grasp, and a reduced risk of cutting the suture material. But how can you recognize PermaSharp instruments? It is actually very easy. Anytime you see a HuFriedy needle holder with both golden wings or rings, this identifies the PermaSharp features, and this is valid also for tissue pliers and for scissors. But it is not just about an enhanced secure grasp. Another great advantage of HuFriedy Perma sharp technology is that the tungsten carbide inserts can be replaced by the technical service whenever this is needed. Not referred to the Perma sharp technology, but still a great added value to our needle holders and tissue pliers, is the diamond-coated working ends that you can also find on a variety of instruments. Just the last information that some of you might not know. As for the PermaSharp, also the diamond coating can be reprocessed by our technical service, and this means higher longevity for the instruments.